Welcome back to Internet Biz Leads. Today, we're going to explore the ultimate guide to getting more reviews on your Google business profile. Reviews are vital for building credibility and attracting new customers, so let's dive in. Importance of reviews. First, let's talk about why reviews matter. Reviews not only influence potential customers, but also impact your ranking on Google Maps. The more positive reviews you have, the higher the chance Google will rank your business prominently. It's all about trust and visibility. Asking for reviews. The most direct way to get reviews is simply to ask. Make it a standard part of your customer interaction. After a service is completed, kindly ask your satisfied customers to leave a review. You can say something like, "If you're happy with our service, we'd really appreciate a review on our Google business profile." Add high-quality photos. This is a powerful tool to attract customers and improve your profile's ranking. Upload high-quality images of your services, team, and projects. Consistent updates show activity and engagement, which Google appreciates. Collect and respond to reviews. Customer reviews play a crucial role in your ranking. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews and always respond to them, whether positive or negative. Show potential customers you value feedback and are engaged with your community. Utilize Google Posts. This allows you to share updates, offers, and events directly on your business profile. Regularly posting fresh content keeps your profile active and relevant. Think of it as free advertising space directly on Google's search results. Leverage the Q&A section. Use this section to address common customer questions. Not only does this provide valuable information, but it also keeps your profile dynamic. Preempt common inquiries and showcase your expertise. Conclusion: optimizing your Google business profile is a continuous process, but the rewards are worth it. By completing your profile, using accurate keywords, adding photos, collecting reviews, utilizing posts, and Q&A, you can improve your chances of ranking in the top 3 on Google Maps. Leverage the Q&A section. Use this section to address common customer questions. Here's how a GBP can work for you. Increase local reach. Set your service area so customers nearby can easily find you. Even without a physical address, you're visible where it matters. Build trust. With reviews, service photos, and updates, you can establish credibility and show clients you're the real deal. Drive more bookings. GBPs offer direct calls and even message options, so people can connect with you instantly. Just one click, and they're ready to hire. For service area businesses, GBP is a powerful way to compete in the local market. Thank you for tuning into Internet Biz Leads. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on leveraging Google business profiles and other lead generation strategies. See you next time.